Damn, it feels good to be a gangster. A real gangster ass nigga plays his cards right. A real gangster ass nigga never runs his fucking mouth, cause real gangster ass niggas don't start fights.
Oleme siin Riias.
Tere, me oleme tulnud Vlog osa ühte. Me oleme Riias. Paneme skeiti, Enrik on ka siin. Fakti skatepark. Okei, Enrikile ei meeldi vist. Kriks paneb täiega retsi. Erik, tonkab samamoodi nagu ikka. Erik võrd samamoodi. Riho peab täiega peale. Riho is killing. Kristoffer ootab seal.
What is Riho doing?
Riho kills it. Look, he's doing a 360 flip, pump to pump.
Do you like Riia?
Yes, but not here. It's very wet as pussy. Me varem poppima, jah.
Mis sa arvad pargist?
Ma ei tea. Tegelikult norm. Päris sitt, jah? Vanu oli ka hea.
Kõik korras või? Päris hea kuradi reis oli sul.
Alati.
I was gonna clean my room until I got high. I was gonna get up and find the broom, but then I got high. My room is still messed up, and I know why, man, yeah, cause I got high, because I got high, because I got high. I was gonna go to class before I got high. Come on, y'all. I could've cheated and I could've passed, but I got high. I'm taking it next semester, and I know why, man, yeah, cause I got high, because I got high, because I got high. Go to the next.
Nii päev jätkub siin samas meil skatepargis. Sõidab püramiidi praegu.
I was gonna pay my
Vaata nüüd Riho päev ja hea ilus. Lebo tee peale.
They took my whole paycheck, and I know why, yeah, cause I got high, because I got high, because I got high.
Money got longer, speaker got louder, car got faster. Turn to a savage, pocket got fatter, she call me daddy. Smoking that gas, going on that side.
On siis laupäeva hommik. Ilm on väga halb õues. Näed, kõik on määrig.
Esimese Vlogi teine osa.
Jah, teine osa, et poisid joovad kohvit siin. Väiksed ekleerid, väiksed rummipallikesed. On hea ka või? No, poiss natukene häbeneb kaamerat. Aga kohvi on päris okei.
Like, it should be like milk, like not so hot, you know.
But the coffee is okay?
People who does coffee doesn't drink the coffee, so...
Too hot.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
I want a lawyer. Film me. I want the lawyer. I want the coffee. Good coffee for Estonians.
I want lawyer.
Lawyer. Look.
But we can't go skate outside because of the weather.
No, without my lawyer. Okay, let's go.
on maitseb ka või?
ma ei ole jõudnud süüa veel.
aga lõpuks leidsime mingi söögikoha, mis on Iiri pubi.
parem kui KFC, mehed.
Jaa, me kolmekesi tulime siia sööma ja ülejäänud vennad kõik läksid KFC-sse.
Noobid.
Typical Estonian skaters going to KFC.
Hey, but...
filmid või?
Jaa.
Jaa. Meil on väga lahe reis. Käisime hommikul söömas. Ühed pubis, ühed KFC-s. Nüüd oleme Monster Pargis, aga siin on nii palju tõuksi vendi, et siin me ei viitsi olla ja me läheme G-parki. Jep, järgmine klipp tuleb sealt, kus kõik juba retsi panevad.
Welcome to another exciting episode of The Real
I'm famous, fucking famous. Nigga, I made it when I was broke. I got me a 9. With that 9, I hit me that lick, and then with that lick, it came with that Yola. With that Yola, it came with your bitch. You see, now your bitch, she gon' work on that corner. I don't care if that hoe got pneumonia. Give me racks and you gon' get a quota. She don't run game, I'm the only controller. So what's up now? Straight pimpin' over here, and I put that shit on verse, nigga. I been shaking ass all on the curb, nigga. You can tell that she fucking with a fig, nigga. What it is, nigga? Period, you and Rosie, I might relocate. Out of my mind, this world, I'm high, goddammit, I'm flying. Yeah. My grandma showed me my first strap. My nigga Ratone always had the flyest gats. I finally got mine. Dirt now, real niggas don't die, homeboy, we multiply and shit. Come around my town, you clown, that's suicide. Gangsta, gangsta, gangsta. Gangsta, 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 we. Gangsta, gangsta, gangsta. Gangsta, 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 G. Gangsta, gangsta, gangsta. Gangsta, 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 bro. Gangsta, gangsta, gangsta. Gangsta, 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 bitch. My mama said don't be that. That little nigga that's so crack. Game banger, that street jack. Always tryna figure what a beef at. Knock out your brain on the doormat. Bitch nigga, what you call that? We on block control, nigga, fuck you wrong. Got the cat on me, nigga, look, it's right here. Bulldog bark, you can die right here. Real gangsta niggas don't have no fear. Real niggas never take 218s. Hopping out of van, disturbing your plans. All hooded up, no Wu-Tang Clan. 3Ks letting off through the area. Call that bitch street for 10. I'm fucking up the streets again. Tags on the toes, all amongst your friends. Let the barrel spin, get blended in. Embrace the funk.
Yes, very good.